Seventh, eighth, and ninth problem of the lesson today, and I'll let you do number 10 on your own. You'll see number 10 is not bad. It takes you back to the beginning, see what you learned. Okay. All right. Hey, this looks really ugly, but it's not that bad. We'll rewrite it, and then you'll see the answer. And then you can, on this one, you'll be able to skip right to the answer, I hope. Okay, so I got base there, 12. That's my exponent. Logarithm is exponent. There's my exponent equals, and this guy right here. So let's rewrite that. 12. The fourth root, I can rewrite that as in exponent form as a fractional exponent. Right? So right there you can see same base. What is x? 1/4. No problem. X equals 1/4. So if I rewrite this, I'm going to rewrite this original one again, 1/4. There's my answer, okay. Just rewrite it now. X is 1/4 equals log base 12 of 12 to the 1/4. Okay, meditate on that for a little bit, all right? Look at those numbers. Isn't that, it's just a whole nother language of how to figure out the inverse of exponent. Okay. 4.3.19. Solve this. It's another strange one. Okay. I am going to rewrite this. I've got an exponent problem. I'm going to rewrite it in logarithmic form. See how confusing this might be. There's my exponent. Here's my base. Log of 5. And there's my exponent. Log. This is, so my whole exponent is this. But just trust what we're doing here. And then my answer is this part. If you're having trouble with it, maybe you write it as, let's think about it as, simplify this problem. Y equals 5 to the x. X, let's keep everything the same. X equals 5 to the y. Okay, then if I was going to rewrite this as a logarithm, I'd say log base 5, and my logarithm is my exponent, and so it would be that. And y is log base 5 of 6. So then once you put it in this form, you can see the answer real quick. Okay, so I'll come back down to this here. This was just a simplifying kind of to help us think about it. And, of course, x has to be 6. Okay, let's don't make this video any longer. Move on to this last problem. This one's, I hope this is getting easier now. There's my base. The logarithm is my exponent. What number to the negative 3 power equals 27? Well, I want to undo it. I want to have x to the first power equals, and my answer, right? This is solving, this is algebra right here, which is what we're doing. I know algebra. Okay, so I want to take x to the negative third, multiply that exponent to the negative 1/3, right? Negative 3 times negative 1/3, negative 3 times negative 1/3 equals 1, which is what we want. We want x to the first power. I got to do both, same thing to both sides, you know, algebra. The negative 1/3 power. So then I got to do that. I got to take the cube root of 1/27, right? The negative will flip it, and then 1/3 power is cube root. So x equals 1/3. You don't have to worry about the negative 1/3 because of logarithms. We don't put we don't go with a negative base on logarithms, and I'll explain a little more of that later. All right, good luck, guys. You can do the last problem on your own. I'm certain of it. Problem number 10 on your own. Good job, guys.